Boombox is a cloud storage platform made by musicians for musicians. So similar to Dropbox, Google Drive, and SoundCloud, except for the fact that we have tools that help musicians with the tedious tasks, stay organized, find collaborators, and collect timestamp feedback in the form of text or voice notes. So once you log in, it looks like a fairly regular file system, but when you click on an audio file, you'll see the tools that we have in place. Now this is the timestamp feedback. I can click at any point in the track and add my comments. So here I'm going to write more bass. We can comment. That will also notify any other collaborators or whoever this has been shared with via email and via Boombox. If you're looking to make a change in melody or rhythm, you can also leave a voice note. So right now I'm recording and I can be like, hey, let's change this to da 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 da. Stop that, hit the comment, it adds it to the timestamp. And again, it will notify anyone who's involved with this project. Sharing files is also really easy. I'm going to select all these files, hit the share button, and then I can create and copy a link, or I can add a name, email, or phone number. When multiple files are shared, it looks like this, which is my own customized profile. And I also have all my links to Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You can add whatever you want here. When a single file is shared, it looks like this. So easy to play back, it's got a nice waveform and a download button. We also have other professional share features when sharing a folder like this, so you can add different levels of access depending on who you want to have what. We also have a different area called projects, which is a more formal version of a file. And this allows you to create song splits and generate legally binding contracts, which can save musicians a lot of time and money. We also have playlists for when you want to share a bigger body of work, which is just audio files that doesn't include DAW files like MIDI, artwork, and so on. And a network so that artists, producers, and engineers can collaborate, and even narrow down their tools by genres, skills, instruments, DAW, and location.